Hello, welcome to my keto recipe videos. Every Tuesday I like to release a video, a recipe that falls in the keto eating plan. And since it's starting to become summertime and summer's hot here in Kansas, I thought I'd make a couple of no-cook keto recipes. And actually this recipe and the next recipe is actually vegan keto. So vegan no-cook keto. So it's taking a whole bunch of different popular check marks. Anyway, uh, this recipe is a keto smoothie. Before I started doing the keto diet, um, I was doing fruit smoothies. My sister was selling some smoothie shakes and um, some other stuff through through a company. I forgot who that company was, but she was selling like household stuff and nutritional stuff, and I was buying those, and those were expensive, so I stopped buying them, and I was just doing fruit smoothies for breakfast, and then I found out that fruit has a lot of sugar in it, and I was looking up no cook recipes for this my little mini series that I'm doing on no cook recipes, and I was thinking, you know what? I'll go ahead and look up a keto smoothie, and it looks like berries are good for the keto diet because a lot of these smoothies have berries in them. I was thinking that fruit had a lot of sugar in it, but um, these berry smoothies doesn't seem to be as bad. Um, so let me go ahead and get into it. Okay, here's all what's in it. Um, I'm just kind of going off what I think should be going in this compared to what I've been seeing on different links online. I don't have a specific recipe. I'm just kind of throwing things together. So I'm going to start off with 2 cups of almond milk, um, a cup of blueberries, 1 cup of raspberries, 1 avocado. I think that counts as a small avocado. It's kind of on the smaller side, and 2 cups of kale chopped up. A thing of kale went a little bit farther than I thought it was going to. I have 2 more bunches in the refrigerator. Oh dear. Anyway, but yeah, got pretty much everything all sorted out there. So really, all I have to do is put it in the blender. So I'll go ahead and start doing that. Okay, here in the blender, I'll go ahead and put the kale. This might be the shortest recipe video ever, or at least my shortest recipe. Anyway, and avocado, raspberries, blueberry, and almond milk. Just put the lid back on, and I'll just use the second setting on blend, and just let that do its thing. Okay, that's blended smooth there. So now I'll go ahead and just pour in this glass here and enjoy. I'm just just don't know what I'm gonna call this because blueberry, kale, raspberry smoothie sounds. A lot of recipes online. It's the recipe's name is everything that's in the so it's like, but I also thought about calling it keto smoothie. But if I ever do another smoothie, what I'm gonna call that one? So I'll just call it. I'll ask you what should I call it? Leave a comment in the description and in the below, telling me what I should call this smoothie. Um, berry kale smoothie. I think berry kale smoothie is a good name, but if you have any better names, that'd be appreciated. But anyway, every Tuesday I'd like to share a recipe that falls into the keto eating plan. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and check out Patreon and all that good stuff. And thanks for watching.